Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities, and today I'm going to show you how to send a small format print file as a saved file so that it will be on the machine locally so that you can reprint the same file multiple times without having to go back to a computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your file in Adobe Acrobat, and you're going to go up here and click Print. And then you're going to check all of your settings, make sure they're right. You want it to print at actual size. You can go into page setup, check your paper and your tray, make sure that that's all correct. Once you've got this set up how you want it, you're going to click on Properties. And then in Properties, you're going to change the job type from normal print to saved job. And we're going to name it Test. You can name it whatever you want. You can put the job number in there just so you know what it's from. And then we're going to save it to the default public folder. We're going to make it public. We're going to hit OK. And then I'm going to hit OK again and hit Print. And it'll take a little bit to load here, and that sends it straight to the printer so that when we're ready to print, we can just do it off of there.